What's up guys, it's Lauro from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix the not secure site message that appears on your site when you are loading it using WordPress. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, please take a moment to log in to your hosting company dashboard. Okay, for example, if you're using Bluehost, if you're using Hostinger, if you're using HostingGator, go to this host page and open a support ticket with your help crew from your host and do a simple question: is my site with SSL certificate enabled, and how to enable it if not? Simple question, right? Normally all the sites already comes with a certificate of SSL. It's a new internet standard, okay, and good hosts offer this. There is much ways to get things for free and nothing to worry. It's pretty much easy. For example, on Bluehost, all you have to do is go to the site settings and enable the enable the SSL into the secure tab. But of course, there is a lot of hosts there. I don't know what host are you using, so please do this process. Open a support ticket and ask your hosting company about it, okay? After having your answer and after having the SSL certificate enabled on your site, you still may be seeing the not secure issue, but there is a very easy and fast fix for this. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. To access WordPress dashboard is normally your domain plus WP admin and enter with your username and password, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins, okay? And hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen there is a field called search plugins. Click and type SSL. And the guy that we're looking for is this guy right here. Really simple security. Simple and performed security, formerly really simple SSL. Click on install now. Then click into the activate button. The plugin gonna find if you have an SSL certificate present on your host or not. I have one. So all I have to do is click into this button, activate SSL. You can skip other steps and finish. Really simple, okay? All you have to do is this, nothing much. The SSL certificate is installed and you have fixed the mixed content. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys later. All the best.